Connecticut's diverse climate, with its cold winters and moderate summers, offers an ideal setting for home gardening. Connecticut's agricultural zone, primarily falling within USDA hardiness zones 5 and 6, influences the types of vegetables that thrive in the state. In Connecticut, the growing season can be relatively short due to late spring frosts and early fall chills. To maximize the success of your home garden, it's advisable to start seedlings indoors. Depending on the plant type, seedlings should generally be started 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost, which typically occurs around mid-May in Connecticut. This means that late March to early April is an opportune time to kickstart the germination process for crops like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Once the seedlings have matured and the threat of frost has passed, typically by late May, they can be safely transplanted into the outdoor garden. Some cold hardy vegetables, such as lettuce, spinach, and peas, can be directly sown outdoors in early spring. In conclusion, cultivating a home garden in Connecticut requires strategic planning and consideration of the state's unique climate. By starting seedlings indoors, understanding the frost timeline, and selecting suitable crops for the region, gardeners can enjoy a bountiful harvest while contributing to the thriving agricultural tapestry of the Nutmeg State.